So this is a cardboard outer, but it feels premium and it looks premium with the colorway, which is yellow, white and black. Branding prominently displayed on the top with where it's designed underneath it. On the side, you've got the website information. On the underside, more branding and also information about how to care for the packaging and where it's made. And on the rear, you've got the social media links. So as soon as you open the box, you're greeted with the product, and as you can see, it's got the branding on the top of the box presented face up, and inside the box you've got the bag, which is in a plastic bag, and it straight away feels like quite a nice product. You've got the Orzly branding on the front flap of the bag itself. Got a really sturdy handle on the top here, and on the lid you've got this zipper, which will give you a pocket for easy access to grab things without having to open up the bag itself. And you've also got these two little sort of hooks, which will be for the longer strap to attach so you can carry it. So this is open with Velcro. It's a nice little Velcro sort of tab there, quite a small one, and you've got a pocket underneath it. Quite a nice little size pocket, probably for some cables. And then underneath the lid flap, you've got this sort of overhang here, which you can actually see covers the zip, so that will protect your electronics if you're caught out in a rain shower. And the zip to open the top is a double zip, so that's quite a nice feature because you can either have it halfway or all the way around. And on the inside of the lid, you've got this extra pocket, and you've got the label which shows the branding on the inside there. Now let's see how a console fits in here. I'm going to be using a PlayStation Classic. That will go in this section here, and as you can see, these are quite well padded, so that will offer quite a lot of protection. In that same section, I'm also going to put a charging brick, which will go neatly in there. And then the two controllers will fit neatly in the pockets behind it. Now in the front of the bag, I'm actually going to try and fit this 1 meter HDMI cable, so that should go in quite neatly and quite easily, and it zips up really easily. Again, it's nicely packaged in there, so it will be well protected. Now in the top, what I'm going to try and do is put my charging cable. Now in this pocket you should have enough space as well for any memory cards that you wanted to carry around with you. Zip that up, and the top now I'm going to close up, and I'm going to zip this up so it's nice and secure. And then the rain protector just folds down over the top, and this Velcro lid will just fold over and it fits in really neatly.